Welcome to Home Decor Hall, a dedicated YouTube channel for your dream home decoration requirements. You can update yourself every day with latest and exceptional design ideas. I shall try to get all relevant issues for your discovery. If you wish to get any particular design idea, you can mention at comment section. In this video, you shall see Indian style living room design ideas. Deciding on the decor to add to our homes is a personal choice and depends on your taste and the vibe we want. But festivals can allow us to explore traditional Indian decor and the variety of offers in terms of decorations, furnishings, and much more. It will not only allow us to understand our vast cultural heritage but also appreciate the huge variety of traditional crafts and their origins. Bringing in a few Indian elements in a home is not the challenge. However, the challenge is to introduce such designs and pieces in a way that they seamlessly blend in with the rest of the house while also standing out. Fabrics and furnishing are usually the first to change. Instead of going for a modern look, you can try something traditional. Try adding throw cushions and Venezuela fabrics to add a touch of glamour and create a festive mood in your space. An integral part of India's rich sartorial legacy, Banarasi silk is not only used in saris but can also be part of our home furnishing, with detailed work in gold and silver thread along with brocade, numerous floral and foliate motifs adorn these lush fabrics and depict the artistic heritage of our country. It is often associated with rituals and festivities and is an easy addition to any home decor. It might be difficult to blend traditional fabrics with existing upholstery, but a certain play of patterns and texture can help achieve a refreshing and pleasing contrast. Traditional lighting installation can be often found in Indian homes, but the type of lighting and its placement can widely impact the mood of a space. Experiment with different types of lighting fixtures and illuminate your interiors for Festival of Light. Integrating certain kinds of lighting that adds accent to a space can enhance its quality without any major changes. Table setup is an art in itself. Using decorative items already at our disposal can be a creative way to add to our Diwali decorations. Add a wide assortment of fruits, experiment with a flower arrangement, or place small sculpture decoration, dull gold culture with bespoke centerpiece together can add to the modern Indian touch. I believe this video will help you to get better ideas for your living room design. For latest updates, subscribe to our channel, click the show links and enjoy watching the videos.